Schwarz-Weiß bitte, wenn es geht. Hello.
Hello.
We are baking a cake.
For our school, for the new kids.
Who came on the secondary school. And yes, here it looks like a quite mess, but
Yes, it is a mess. But it tastes very good.
that's the chocolate.
She's searching the chocolate.
It means, by the way, in German, Schokolade.
Schokolade.
Ah,
And that's her dog. It's Paul.
fuck it up. Is that chocolate?
No, that's kind of
Ja, nee, ich brauch Kakao.
things to drink.
Kakao.
Oh my god. Yes, that's right.
Fuck away.
You take it, I'm going to...
Mmm,
brown.
yummy. Okay, I'm going to drink something. Huh? Okay, where
It's
is...
going to be browner.
Hey. Okay, where is my...
What do you need? Oh, there's the camera. So, you put the camera in there.
I know.
I didn't notice it.
Oh. So.
Gosh. Should be a bit browner.
Person, I mean. Hey, my dog is walking. Paul. Say hi to the camera. Stoop, stoop. The camera loves you.
Yes, it loves monsters.
Okay, we will see us in the part 2 of baking a cake. Till later. Bye.